service. And today we're going to introduce you to FocusKitchen. Kitchen's recently gone through a bunch of really cool updates that we're really excited about. So we're going to take a few minutes to go through some of those. First off, Kitchen is our easy to use, simplified kitchen display product. It's designed to simplify your operation and give your back of house team the info they need when they need it. Orders pop up in Kitchen through any of your order sources. So online ordering, at table, Focus On, even delivery service providers, and of course, store level POS. When the order comes in, you're going to see some information at the top of the screen or at the top of each order that's useful for your kitchen team. The order type is going to be displayed prominently on there so your crew knows if they need to be packaging something for takeout or if it's just for dine-in. The guest's name or the table number will also be displayed on there so expos know where to bring the food. The employee who rang the order or serviced that order will also be displayed on there, so if there's any questions about an order, you know who to go to. And how long that order has been displayed on the screen will also be shown at the very top. When you're working an order, you can simply tap on an item to mark those items as tagged. When those items are tagged, it allows your kitchen crew to know that they've already worked on that particular item, maybe for an order that has multiple items. And of course, you can untag items individually as well. Touching on a parent item with modifiers will automatically tag all of the modifiers. And when you're ready to go ahead and service that order, you have a couple of great options. Right here at the top of our header, you can touch on the header and a couple of icons appear. The first is a printer icon. This allows your expo crew to bump to a printer. Where this is useful is if you need to have a paper ticket to go ahead and expedite the food to the table instead of having to auction off the food. When you get to the table, you can hit this little printer icon and a printed ticket will appear right at whatever printer you designate as your expo printer. Another great feature is the priority button. With priority, you can tap on that button and it'll automatically mark that check as priority. And any station where that order exists will also see their header turn orange, indicating that that order is a priority and needs to be serviced quickly. When you're ready to go ahead and expo that food out to the table or to wherever it needs to go, just tap on the header again and hit the little service icon here in green. That will bump that order off. Once that order has been bumped off, though, you can easily recall it if you need to using the recall button at the top right. Once the order is recalled, you can go ahead and touch on the header, press the pink arrow, and that will automatically bring that order back into your view where you can go ahead and work it. And of course, same idea, just bump it off. One new feature available in the latest versions of Kitchen is SMS to your guest. So for orders that have phone numbers attached to them, such as orders that came in from at table, online ordering, you can easily SMS the customer that their order is ready. From Command Center, you can customize what the actual message is. Touching on SMS will ask you if you want to send an order ready SMS to the guest. You can hit yes, and now that guest is going to receive an order ready message. The header will update, showing a little phone icon and the quantity of messages that were sent to the guest, so you know how many times you've sent that message to those guests. Some other optional features available with SMS and order-ready texting is to automatically send an SMS when the order is bumped, or to also prompt you when that order is bumped if you want to send the text message. Great for busy takeout operations. So that's FocusKitchen. Glad we could show you a brief little introduction to it, and we hope you enjoy.